Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make 5 easy 4th of July recipes that are perfect for celebrating with a crowd or by yourself at home. You're not going to want to miss these ideas. The 4th of July is my favorite holiday. I love the colors of red, white, and blue, and I love the food, and I love the barbecues, and I think I love it so much because there's no pressure. I don't have to find the perfect gifts for everyone. And the 4th of July is coming up, and it might look a little bit different this year, but we can still celebrate. 4th of July desserts are my absolute favorite ones to make because I love red, white, and blue together. I love red and white blue sprinkles and M&Ms, frostings, no matter what it is. I love putting it into desserts. So these 5 recipes incorporate my favorite colors and they're delicious. First, I'm going to show you how to make 2 easy cupcake recipes jazzed up red, white, and blue. And then I'm going to show you 3 of my favorite and most popular 4th of July cookies. These have sprinkles and red, white, and blue M&Ms, and they're delicious. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. All right, first off, let's talk about cupcakes. I've got 2 different versions here. One's funfetti with red, white, and blue sprinkles, and one is just a simple red, white, and blue topper idea. First cupcake is a funfetti cupcake, and I'm just taking yellow cake batter and adding red, white, and blue sprinkles. You can use my homemade cake recipe or just use a box mix, it doesn't matter. For topping your cupcakes, I'm just using a vanilla buttercream. Again, you can use my recipe or you can use it from a can, but I highly recommend my recipe. And then sprinkle the tops with more sprinkles. The other easy cupcake idea is more of a topper, and you could use chocolate cupcakes or vanilla. It doesn't matter, you could use store-bought or homemade, but I love using some blue frosting. Now again, you could make homemade frosting or just use a can and color it blue. So frost the cupcakes first with blue frosting, and then add some white frosting or some Cool Whip or whipped cream. And on top of that, add a nice fresh strawberry, and you have a red, white, and blue cupcake topper. And now we're going to talk about cookies. I've got 3 4th of July cookie recipes for you today. 2 of them use the same batter. It's a sugar cookie dough, my favorite. And I make a sugar cookie cake or I make M&M sugar cookies. Both are delicious. And the other one is my most popular 4th of July cookies. I call them fireworks cookies because they look like a firework with sprinkles and M&Ms and a secret ingredient that keeps them soft for days. Not that they'll last that long. For the cookies, we're going to start off by adding 3/4 cup of butter to a mixer, followed by 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. This is my favorite sugar cookie recipe. It always turns out perfect. Cream those together, and then you're going to add egg, a teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix them together and then add 2 cups of flour. Once you have your sugar cookie dough, you have a choice. You can either just add M&Ms, scoop them and bake them, and you have the perfect M&M sugar cookies. Or you can make my fireworks sugar cookie cake by adding sprinkles along with the M&Ms into the dough and placing it into a 9-inch round cake pan. I like to line mine with foil and spray it with nonstick cooking spray for easy release. Just press it into your pan, bake it, frost it with vanilla frosting, and you have the perfect fireworks cookie cake. The last recipe is my most popular 4th of July cookie, fireworks pudding cookies. These start with a 1/2 stick of butter and brown sugar. Mix those together, and then you're going to add an egg, vanilla, baking soda, and salt, along with a box of instant vanilla pudding mix. I love adding pudding mix to cookies because it keeps them soft for days and it adds such a great flavor. You could actually use any flavor pudding mix that you want. Add your flour, mix together, and then we're going to add the fireworks, patriotic M&Ms, and sprinkles. Mix them together, bake the cookies, and you have one of the best chocolate chip cookie recipes you'll ever eat. Leave me a comment and let me know which one you're going to make first. I hope you have a wonderful and safe 4th of July. Keep watching for more great ideas.